What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. As expected in my weekly forex forecast and previous analysis, gold is doing according to the plan. Now, what you see that gold is now started to drop on the lower time frame. So before we see how we can trade gold, let's find out a complete multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll see how we can trade gold starting with the monthly time frame to see the bigger picture. Now, as I mentioned in my previous analysis, that gold has failed to create a new higher high in this monthly time frame. So as this is an uptrending market, the price failed to create a new higher high. It is highly likely that gold will come down and may create a new lower low. So with that being said, on the higher time frame, gold is highly bearish. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how the price action is doing. Now on the weekly, as expected, after this gap opening, and there is a big bearish engulfer from this gap opening, we saw that as soon as the market opened, gold now started to drop, and we might see a big drop slowly to the downside. So let's see now on the daily time frame how we can trade. Now on the daily, first of all, if you see the market structure, the same thing here. The price tried to go up, failed to do so, and then the bulls created this push to the upside, failed to create a new higher high, and then the price broke down. Now, in this breakdown, what you see that this is basically the master pattern in forex. What you see that all the time, this is what happened when you see the price try to create this kind of pattern, break to the one side, and then it started to trend to the other side. So it looks like that this is the trending direction for gold, and we might see slowly the gold is dropping to the downside. So now let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have on gold on the lower time frame. First of all, if you see that this is the daily time frame, what is the nearest level of resistance for gold? So this is one resistance here, that is from the previous week with a gap opening, and this week as soon as the market open, as you can see that there is also a gap opening on the daily time frame. Let's draw this all this level of resistance. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see how we can trade. Now on the 4 hour, you see that first of all there is a weekless candle here, and there is a 20 period moving average here. And as you can see that today, as soon as the market opened, we saw a fake out to the upside with this green candle, and immediately the sellers sold this market. And also this is the bottom of this pin bar. So what is the best way to trade gold is we'll be waiting for the price to come back to this level of resistance after this candle close. And if the price come to this level of resistance on the retest of this previous support here on the local time, on the local time frame, such as on the 4 hour on the on lower time frame, if the price come up to this level, test this previous support as a resistance, and if we see enough rejection on the lower time frame, then we'll considering selling gold from this zone with a high risk to reward ratio. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.